Shares of Rubrik falling today, but still higher than its IPO pricing of $32 a share. So what could it and other recent listings signal about the IPO window? Deirdre Bosa spoke exclusively to Morgan Stanley a banker who led the listings of Reddit and Astera Labs. What'd you find out, Dee?
Well, Tyler, that would be Colin Stewart, and he has led some of the biggest debuts of the last 3 decades. So this was a rare and actually his first broadcast appearance. Given the IPO drought of the last few years, he did sound relieved, saying first that the market is back. But he was more nuanced around valuations, noting that the bonanza of 2021 was exhausting. And here's where he said we are now.
We're back at valuations that are very similar to 2018, 2019 for most companies in technology. And so particularly for software companies, the valuations are almost similar. You know, the top companies in software trade at similar valuations as they did about 5-6 years ago. Those are good valuations on a relative basis. And so I think that's why I think people are starting to look again. Now, will we get some of those big companies public? I'd love to take them public. I think, unfortunately, they've got scale, they've got growth. Investors are giving them lots of capital. And they're also in such dynamic markets that they're investing very aggressively for the future. They've got large opportunities. They want to be set for it. So right now, the IPO is not on their near-term horizon.
And Tyler, those big names, those are the kind of blockbuster IPOs that would be around a Stripe or a Databricks or even a ByteDance. So he said that it's going to take longer for them to go public, especially because they can really raise money in the private markets for now. He said that we're seeing more companies list this year, but it's going to take time for them to get up and going. And he also noted that the presidential election this year, that could cap the number that go public this year. But by 2025, he says, that will be even better for listings if this trajectory continues.
One thing I thought was interesting, Dee, is that Rubrik went public on kind of a down market day, which suggested that there was still risk appetite despite you know, some of the broader macro concerns with rates and other factors. And so I wonder if that was kind of a seminal moment for companies that have been preparing and are waiting for the wings and are hoping to strike while the iron is hot. On a day like that, when you see that kind of aftermarket price activity, does that signal, you know, water's warm, might as well come now?
It's a great point, and he would say that sort of that risk appetite has increased. You also look at the profile of a Rubrik, Leslie, which I know you know well, and they've got losses, right? And you're seeing these software companies go public with losses, and so I think that also indicates that there's more of a risk on appetite. Look at Reddit as well. It's continued to perform well, though volatile since its IPO went public, around $5 billion. It's trading at more than $7 billion now. Astera Labs, even the IPOs that we covered last September, right, except for Klaviyo, but ARM and Instacart have held up pretty well.
Yeah, and that's such a flywheel effect. It's important to remind viewers, as you just did, because investors who make money on recent deals are more apt to put that money to work, put more money to work in future deals. So it does have this kind of cyclical effect. And
you know what, Leslie, I know you and I, we love those big blockbuster IPOs that are already household names, but you could argue that this market now, where you're seeing sort of the sub $10 billion valuation companies go public, that it's a little more boring, but maybe a little healthier as well, because it is sort of getting that appetite up and testing the waters before you potentially see the big ones. But the question is, when do those big ones actually want to go, or are they comfortable being private? A lot of the CEOs and founders will say that they're able to do more in private if they need to grow, and they're at this important growth phase. So there's not as much as that draw for that big marketing event that is an IPO as maybe there was in previous years.
Yeah, I guess you and me covering it, not enough of a draw, but maybe one day that will change. Deirdre, thank you.